channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. But anymore, I upload every single day. So you're gonna wanna subscribe. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. Today's just a really quick show and tell. I have a bunch of videos on this particular wig. This is one of my all-time favorite wigs. This is Sensational's SHAYNA. Okay, I scooped this particular one up from Glamour Trust for $18.90. I have SHAYNA in a bunch of different colors. I have full review on SHAYNA, so you can see that. This is a wig that I actually have a video on, my favorite wig in a new color. Is it still my favorite? And the answer is yes. SHAYNA comes in some of these amazing colors. I have the dark ash blonde ombre, and then I have the golden blonde ombre, which I like. I definitely like the dark ash better, and I love the golden blonde. But I really wanted it in this ash gray ombre and also this dark or dusty rose ombre. And that's what I got, is the dusty rose ombre. So that's what this one is. I just want to show you the color. Obviously all the specs of the wig you can see in another video. I just love this wig because this dusty rose color is so subtle, so I feel like it's super wearable. I love this wig. It's a lace parting wig. I literally just took it out of the package, flattened up the part, and away I went, okay? And you'll see that in the clips when we're done. I just feel like this is one of the only wigs that I've ever like slept in multiple times. Not this specific one, but the SHAYNA wig. I just love this wig. I think she's a great wig. She's an easy wig. She's a wig you can get under $20, and it's one that I would recommend to any newbie. So maybe I should title this my favorite newbie wig. That's what we're gonna title it. Yay, 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 yay. If you want to learn more about SHAYNA, I'll include all of the related videos down in the description box. If you have SHAYNA, go ahead and put down below your thoughts, your feelings, and your feelings. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Right now is the time to do so before the clips come in and just like get it done. And you know, if you have subscribed and you're one of my subbies, I appreciate you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye!